Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vitamin B12. This vital nutrient, also known as cobalamin, is crucial for our bodies, supporting nerve function and red blood cell formation. Interestingly, neither humans nor plants can create it. Only specific bacteria and archaea possess this unique ability. Therefore, the vitamin B12 found in supplements and fortified foods is primarily produced through sophisticated industrial fermentation, harnessing the power of these tiny microbial factories. The journey to making vitamin B12 begins with microbial fermentation. We cultivate specific bacterial strains, such as *Propionibacterium freudenreichii* or *Pseudomonas denitrificans*, in massive bioreactors. These microorganisms thrive in a carefully prepared, nutrient-rich broth, often containing glucose or other carbon sources, along with essential minerals. Over several days, under precise temperature and pH control, these tiny biological factories diligently produce cobalamin as part of their natural metabolic processes. Once the fermentation is complete, the next crucial step is extracting and purifying the vitamin B12. First, the bacterial cells are separated from the liquid culture. Then, the precious cobalamin is released from inside these cells using methods like heat treatment or enzymatic digestion. Following this, a series of rigorous purification stages, often involving techniques such as filtration, precipitation, and chromatography, are employed to isolate the pure vitamin B12, ensuring its high quality and potency. Finally, the highly purified vitamin B12 is carefully crystallized, often into its most stable form, cyanocobalamin. Other forms, like methylcobalamin, are also produced for specific applications. This finished product, a vibrant red crystalline powder, is then ready for use. It becomes a key ingredient in dietary supplements, fortifies many breakfast cereals and plant-based milks, and is essential in various pharmaceutical formulations, helping countless individuals maintain optimal health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.